In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change plan in Netflix. Let's get started. First, launch your Netflix app. Make sure you have logged into your account. Now head over to the My Netflix page. Then click on the Netflix profile. Select the option account. Here you're going to find different options, but you won't find the option to change your Netflix plan. In order to change the Netflix plans, you'll need to use the web version of Netflix. So navigate to the official website of Netflix. Provide your credentials and login. Then head over to this option, Manage Account. Now here, you're gonna find this option of Change Plan. Click on that. You will now see a list of plans you can choose from. Review the features of each plan, such as video quality, the number of devices that can stream at the same time, and the monthly price. Select the plan that best fits your needs. After choosing a new plan, click on Continue and confirm change to save your selection. In most cases, if you're upgrading to a higher tier plan, change takes effect immediately and you will be charged according to Netflix billing policy. If you're switching to a lower tier plan, the change typically takes effect at the start of your next billing cycle. So that's it. This way you can easily change plan in Netflix. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.